tunjemo kuma ntura ya Ntaraku ya Ntwambui gicigo mbunge kia Gembe North bakarite gukagita na kunyamara gwa nkoro nyuma ya mutana wao na rito David Taitumu kura na ateonekie kuma mweri Jwenana mwaka muthiru na njeje ni kuromba ndwangi cio ntuku ni kubatetheria kuona mwana wao uria bakuga ataro ringithanwa na winyangia Kinyaburiko. Nicholas Chibari na Tonkuruke.
Alifotea tarehe 14 mwezi wa 8
ni ndeto ikonenia na kura akwa muntu kumenyekana ta David Taitumu Ontoitene ora aurire mwanka amuthiru. Ndeto ira ikuririkano bwega ni antu bamuchi igwao na urire ntereche Mombasa na mwanka athaino no akacheragua karibu mwanka omwe uthiete kuthira na mwanka athaino batona ripoti no iri kwikonenia
kana nginyare athoma thimu mwaka nywa mozi mwaka ntu
abaureti njira cionthe beretie weta kila ofisi nyumba kumba utetheria
ono go kuonekane na tito na mwezi na tito kinyithia mwezi 11
thirikari gukurukira rwangi rotwiriria kana DCI rutigirire kuthingateria aburu kumenya bura muntu oju orangire na ara mwanka athaino areneke
gutumika ngetweka otebinde nabyo
baba atwatha kuona mutano ucio.
Thirikari batetherie no ntukwari na nya kamera CCTV nikende omba kunasa o mwana warorire no ntu iririkana kuma ntuku mwana warorire thirikari no ntu nena mkono muraya yombo batetheria kithe upande sana upande ba CID baenda kuminya athimu ya aririre na ya orera ni ariko ya orere
kuma Ntwambui Gembe North. Nicholas Chibari.
Mubunge wa Tigania West Dr. John Mutunga na amenerete Ministry ya Kithomo ni kiria kugani bethiritwo bakigitire gamba matuja gitumi na mpui muno batija thuganirete bobwega untubura na ndia kugani butumite sekta ya kithomo ekagwa bonene. Mutunga arite tija kirindiunga yawe ya kuoja na matangi jaroje kire skuru mwanya gicigone kiu. Kevin Kimathi na Ntetoija.
Tino bonga shukuru cia primary na cia secondary zigone bunge kia Tigania West ibagunikite na itangi kimokia kuwatia rwe kumakiro bisi ya mbunge wa Ntuku Daktari John Mutunga.
Tigania West ni ndenyo ntu itena rwiro kwana ku 85 na kutugwikira rwe tangi nekira bawatia rwiro mabati de kwaura nikenda rukuma etangine kirana bathambaru njara.
Mutunga bwambere ambuthuro murito muno ambiria kumeneria Ministry ya Kithomo Kenya kumania matalia yo muno ya witikirio bunka mwana uciandikithia kuthithia kirio kiisuru buru.
We shall go allow university. I've been teaching in university myself. Mtoto kama doesn't do school percent ama 75%, I mean 6. What are you saying? That is very dangerous. We want facts.
Mirongo ithatu kuringa tina Meri Kinyayo buru.
Sasa mambo ingine inafanyika, natakana ifikiriwe vizuri, ifanyiwe ile pilot testing. Mambo tena hiyo ni mazingira ndio wamezafanyia mtihani mahali walikuwa vile inatakikana, watatimiza. Kama kuna haraka hii ni ya nini? Sisi tu
agwete maximum kana jethatu na 13
ndirathoma mami okwa na akwire baba okwa ateo ni turiana mwana Liliani ari kurikia kuthiria kirio kiawe tusuite otethio twas mama kia waswa moyo liver cancer mama murimo jwa kwaswa miaka ile na uni otweka iwe amenyera na ushughulikane na mantu yetu ndiri kila kitu bila bionde twari na bio ng'ombe nguku na kinyamburi kenda twiri tumbo mutethio ra kumbikana
tite guonthe na tumba witana itwacitio te turite muno harema
lulu ni rurugono rwa kwithikira rwana baba batigitwe nja batina aciari na kiro kiao nandi ni uria ombi kubatethia bombi gutethia
nethera me cukuru no athome atutethia tukona kiumbo musupport yake athoma na akathiria na tutethia.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV. Turene arendi kanitin wandini akiego ya Ntobochio Gembe South County ya Meru.
Kwongina kukiamaga gutegera wagiru barabara ni the Road Safety Association of Kenya kiugite kuri na wongere kububu nene ba mitino ya barabara kuringana na kiama giki ni ati nkuruki ya gicuju kia 60 kwega na yatumiri barabara Kenya batije mawatho ja barabara baruga ontu kwa antu 10 bakujaga kumana na mitino ya barabara iria ire mingi yumanagia na ngari cia matatu kiama giki kiraragia ntere cia Lari kaunti ya Kiambu aria mutino jwa barabara juroragira antu mugwanja na aria akure mandereba pa matatu batigakuruka rwiro rwa kilomita 80 kwetha.
And most of our drivers are mad. 60 on the road are mad because you know very well that the speed of a PSV vehicle 80 are human, and it must be done urgently. And the many disabilities, what are we supposed to do? The government must now intervene. The government is trying to wait for a police officer to come. Please follow the traffic, particularly those who...
Inatokea pale, inashukia watu pale. Sasa wakati iliondoka, lori ilikuwa inakuja mbio, dereva ilitokea ghafla. Kwa hivyo huyu dereva wa lori akaona atagonga, aligonga kia Nakuru mama pale.
Kadha cha mwanya kirego mutegerete na guys.
Kadhu.
Yes.
Eza. Joy motu jore kwa turugera narwa.
Mtu jonda kurete tukani na arakaja.
Jojo na kinyama no.
Ai.
Lakini ukamaka. Tuwakuletera mtu kwa Afya Plus.
Afya Plus.
Joy motu.
He, juna mwanka vitamins na minerals. Ani ndeborugere. Kutegewe kombo ekete.
Afya Millers Cooperative Society Limited athondeki ba mituka de tunege tumero na ndeba kureterete Afya Plus mutujo nkima jongeri vitamin na mineral cia kuguna mwiri jwaku na nkimeri na shamaja boibo ikinyendukene kana supermarket rere kwina agwe wigurire mutujo nkima jwa Afya Plus umathirenja ya kuwinge yegekeno. Our Afya, our pride.
Ringa nyonta na rojiro tulivu rwarumite na kuthondekerwo rierene irima bia Mount Kenya kaunti ya Meru. Ni rojiro rutheru na ruthondeki no taaramu bwa iguru bwa kinandi ukinyaniria ukamati na waraniria rojiro tulivu ni rukugwatika na kaunti na 16 Kenya nandi. Nkuruki tulivu drinking water ni rukugwatika na mithemba ya mainstream na executive water. Igwatire shuba ya rojiro tulivu ndukene yonthe akuye na agwe. Tulivu drinking water, refresh your body, mind and soul.
Nkatho cha mwanya kirego mutegeri gwechine munejo Nairobi kiri ugendi nirethugani ure obwithia bwa ngari cia kuthio kamati ba murigo mwankira nandi na kugwirirwa umbani bobwawe ara nandi ngari jikwirigira kwonoke baba ingi kirengo geji
na gukorote kwa mukero bobwega inthiguru cia kutoki kiawe.
This product is not only meant for the Kenyan economy. It is unique for most of the African economy who are saying the tuk-tuk.
Taina yetomige kine nakyo tuk-tuk isho ikothurikia nkoroki no ringe bimebirin ye gushoka bwa reverse no kejo tegera gispindo mitewe tho monka 40 na koi kugo kinyukia barabarene ruroro awi ruroro ngiro mwanya no ringitha enge kirethiri twategerete ano
hizi ni umona izole akamata mirigo open ukamatira murigo jo 1.5 ton koi kuona ni hizi na ndinyariro ukamata passengers anto batantatu bataginya nusu ye
ite bukaduganya into kia gwitwa like a battery power bank mtu etite barabara na kunyenyia jora mtu thera na power bank yethimu
power bank because now when you are driving it system yembere ne egwetithia ngari set yembere then the power bank is charging what you are calling the power bank and now the other system take over recharging. That is what I say, it will keep on oscillating from one set of battery to the other.
Kumania no rito bwayo na nyakurikia nthiguru ntuburo bujikina kimulmonjo stability mtu no aondirwewe uri akwenda
tukije thithire tuaja from scratch everything zero. The only important thing is motor, because there is no company in Africa which can be able to manufacture those motors. But even with that still, in future we have the technology and the capacity kutengeneza kinya motors iwe locally. Only that now, because we are not doing in mass production, the cost may be very high. That's why we import them.
Turia train chamba. Ukenda kuithiria service yanga tukutuku ya kinyira ka gari mumbi kuithiria service no tujere tete kuithiria service ngari ya filters wale engine nabi eje ukaithiria service ikaria.
The battery can last for 15 years, more than 15 years. The lithium ion battery, the motor is safe. The transaction DC motor can last for more than that years. What you may require to repair, perhaps jamaguru mbuga jadiro can replace just like any other vehicle. To get the wiring, maybe it was short somewhere, you have to repair the wiring system. Maybe ukuraga kioni kia wega inda ikio kwenda kuwekera, which may not be the case all the time. So maintenance yete ngare lazima ufanye after certain mileage and all that.
Amu thirikari Kenya ni mwatite njaro bobwega na gutigire na kiria kwenda.
What would make a difference in this country is, are we able to address the multiple challenges that we face? So if they make it easier and someone is going to do more with the less energy.
Bwebwa kenda bwakuna bwekinyanira gwanterita na mbere na tumenyithia atiri wonangwa atano cia kimandhiguru cia mitonyithia thokone ngugigeta kurukana wingi.
Direct jobs ikibaria ba kuthithia the direct manufacturing of these electric vehicles, and the marketers and all that, the staff. Banando ejira indirect jobs ejira kibara bakagura nande bakambiria kumitumira kugitatea kuringa katharija matatu taxi services kwibara bakaona ngugi cia kuthithia repair and maintenance na kwibara bangi bakaona ngugi ya kwendia spare parts. So all those are indirect job, informal and informal sector.
Neoma kiroto kegwante kya makita ntatu kegukite aragitite kurana kwangurukia kiranto baba inge kwa nande gwante oro nyume kwa emenyithe na mukirite onda kumakire kaunti mwanya ja Nthigurune ni nyome Nthiguru e Kenya na nande ko mwaka jumojora jite ngayete thaya tuktuku ishawe ikethero shego ntokunthe nke reporter Ntashoro TV kuma NOS Engineering aja muchumrejo Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.
Kambuni hiyo kinyanire ya Safaricom nerutete chiringi milioni 1 cia gutetheria mumatuki wa Kenya ura wonete kanya gukumatukira Nthiguru kirindiro cia mitega na rimwe michetho na Olympics Nthiguru ya Japan. Mark Otieno atindire kiri matinda ja guchwa timu ya gwita Tokyo na ramu matuki uju kinya matukire na iratu bya kuromba. Safaricom na ndi gitembete iji ikanga na kurunga miri iratu bya kugia amwe no batujange ja muchethi ujo.
Hizo mabomu na hizo bila fanya hizo.
So delighted that Safaricom is involved with Mark Otieno to support him as he engages on these journeys. It's all about going beyond and 22 QK as Safaricom we say. So today I have had the opportunity to present the check plus airtime to support Mark as he sets off to Tokyo. So delighted now to be involved with the Olympics. We are sponsoring the uniform, the ceremonial uniform, donating 20 million to cater for the cost of the uniform across all athletes. We are also going to be giving each athlete 10,000 short distance. Kenya, as I've said, is known for mid to long distance. So delighted to be involved with Mark Otieno and also Ferdinand as they represent Kenya in the 100 meters.
All right, the sponsorship for Safaricom, it has really helped me, especially just to focus on the Olympics and one thing that we've been planning for. And not now, this time I won't hustle. So right now, you know, the financial has been, I've been financially supported. And right now I'm looking forward also to go to South Africa and train for the next, especially next year since we're having Commonwealth Games, Africa Championship and also World Championship. So I'm looking forward to go there and train with my wife.
Great. Yeah. So do you want
the uniform is the mentor. Yeah. All this was involved and all this.
Yeah.
Teto ingi na njira indi kuniona chiari ngathemo na nusu ngucokere nkatho cha mwanya nuntu bagutara weru thaa mugwanja Peter Gwantinyeri Kinywa.